Hello everyone, so it's around minus 20, 21. We'll see soon what's the real temperature, and we see how bright is it, how beautiful is it. And it's really cold, you can hear by the sound I walk. So let's take a look at this car, Volkswagen Passat 2014 US variant, and let's see how it goes. And we had the doors open throughout the whole night, so let's see if that did have any influence. Oh, it's so cold, my god. Okay, so let's see the temperature here. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it has some delay. Minus 21 around. Almost minus 21. It's working so slowly. Okay, let's start. Oh, this is insane, and this is in Russian. Требуется замена масла, inspector service. Okay, so far it's good. It looks like we are fine. Let's turn the light off. What's the sound? This is how much it takes. 2.6 liter. I hear some sound, but I will not open the hood now until it's a little bit warmed. So it's from 2.3, it drops down. So everything here is in American, but we changed, so it's 190 degrees Fahrenheit, but it looks fine. Just getting warm, so all looks fine. So the consumption drops down, not rapidly, but it is, and I turned everything off, so it looks fine. 2.0 so far, so all okay. So let's wait until it drops to little on the standard RPM. Okay, 1 minute 1000. Yeah, so the fuel consumption drops down. On my Skoda it was 0.6. So this is Volkswagen Passat 2014, once again, 2.0. It has 104 kilowatts, so it's quite nice car. It has automatic gearbox, it got start engine. This is how it looks, and this is the look. So it's beautiful car. Okay, so it's keep dropping 1.7, now 1.6. Yeah, was every detail matters now. So yeah, it probably will drop to 1.2, but not less, because, but we'll see. Yeah, and the line is still keep dropping down. I'll turn the light on. Oh, you can see some strange this is something, the light, okay, so it's dropping almost, I think it dropped almost to the standard line of still being, it has to warm up So 1.5, I guess 1.3 for, and that's it. That will be the case. So guys, minus 21 degrees Celsius. This is insane. Yeah, so 1.4 and still, and I think it almost reached, it did. So more or less it's 1.3, and so it took, wow, it's so slowly getting. So how many time it took, it doesn't show. Okay, so 4 minutes. So it took around 4 minutes to fully drop this line to the standard. And let's take the look of the hood of the car and see what's going on. So let's go and see. The good thing that the back side of the door doesn't show it open, but in fact it is open, and you cannot. Okay, so you cannot do anything about this. So let's take a look of the hood and see what is going on here. Oh, all looks fine. So this is the new battery. Stop. That's important to have. Stop. Okay. So far so good. So should be okay. We'll keep the car on for a little bit, and what's more, let's take a look how the fumes are going. So not so bad, it's just the vapor. So this is how it looks. A great day. This is my Skoda. I will be doing some review soon. Okay guys, let's take a look. First more look. So that's it. Yeah, 1.3, 1.2, yeah, as I guessed, and I turned off the light, so it's between 1.2 until the temperature rises to 190. Yeah, so I will keep the car on and for some time, because it's very good to have this car warmed up for at least 20 minutes. So guys, thank you, and stay tuned. I hope you had fun. I know I did. So peace out.